So, welcome everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for those of you who have seen me speak before and talk about landscape maintenance, which is my true passion. My goal is for you to go into your own garden and feel like you can address the needs that are there on a daily, monthly, quarterly, seasonal basis. We also want to have the center kind of cleaned out also so that we can get light into the plant. You really need to be focused on pruning it probably 3 times a year minimum. With rosemary is it wants to be very woody, keeping it in a more juvenile state so that it keeps flowering also, because when rosemary gets really old, it stops flowering.
Look at all these awesome free workshops, and they have events and classes, and they're giving away compost, like come down.
So this one I would cut all the way here, and then I would come back around on this side too. When it comes to grasses, you really need to know if something's a warm season or a cool season grower, okay? Probably one of the easiest plants to maintain in the grass-like family. It's not a true grass. It's in the Restio rush family.
We came away with so many tips, and it was such an educational thing for us.
There's a technique where you can hit the tips of branches and they pop up.
I really enjoyed the natural approach that she takes to pruning. I feel like that makes the most sense for a landscape. And this is my first time attending one of the workshops, so this was a great start, and I look forward to seeing more on the calendar in the year to come.
You need to find some patience when you're a gardener, because it's about the journey.